Yours. My name is whatever you make of it. So sit back and relax. This might take a bit. First of all, I want to apologize for government shutdown. See, I'm just joking. I'm not sorry. Anyways, the real reason is I was in the studio making my first rap song with 2 Chainz. This song will be called 2 Terms. It'll be released in 2016. And also, I'll be having an album, my first rap album, called All By Myself. It does sound like All By Myself, but it's All By Myself. If I'm still alive to make it there.
Hey there, it's Cleveland Brown, everybody. I'm just here to prove to y'all that I'm not just a cartoon character. I'm a real human being. I am also a football team. My dad is Jim Brown. I'm Cleveland Brown. Also, shout out to my good friend, Mr. Bob Thayer. We go way back in the day. And Peter. And this is all the last shout out to my dude JoJo. Hey!